But hey guys, happy New Year's, you guys. We're about to go get a haircut and start the year off right. Today is Saturday, January 3rd, and we're gonna go get a haircut from the boy Jason, and I'll see you guys when we get there. I need a haircut, so let's go get one.
What's the vlog today?
We're actually installing something on the BRZ, but I gotta get a haircut first.
Install a haircut first. And then we install this stuff on the BRZ.
Exactly. Guys, like I said, this is the #1 rated barber in San Jose right here, bro.
Get right.
I'll get right with Jason, bro. I'll put his page right here, bro. You guys can see the whole thing.
All 2026, make sure you book with me.
Exactly, you guys. But yeah, guys, we're doing another install on the BRZ today, and I'm actually super excited because I've been waiting to do this for a super long time, and I finally got the chance to do it. And it's actually 3 things today. So today we are actually switching out the taillights for clear taillights, you guys. But yeah, guys, I got these from Invoke Concepts. But yeah, guys, today we're installing clear taillights on the BRZ. I hope you guys enjoy this install. I've been waiting to do this for a super long time, and I finally got the chance to do it. So yeah, let's go install them. A clear third brake light. So we're clearing out the whole BRZ right now. I told you guys earlier, this was my first gen look. This is now moving into version 2, I guess. We're moving into version 2 of the BRZ, and we're gonna go ahead and install this clear third brake light alongside one more thing, you guys. We're also installing some clear side markers. So yeah, you guys, we're clearing out the whole BRZ. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And as soon as I take these HRS taillights off, or these, sorry, not HRS. As soon as I take off these high-res sports taillights, they're gonna go up on Facebook Marketplace. But if you guys want to hit me up, and I'll sell them to you guys for a really good deal. But alright, guys, you have to take a pause because it started raining, and we're almost done though. We got one side on, and we got the third brake light on. Done, you guys. It started pouring. I had to stop, but we're back. But if you guys know anyone that works at Subaru, or anybody actually, Subaru, whoever makes this T20 bit right here, I hate you guys. This is not I wouldn't say it's an actual T20. If you guys have an actual T20 bit, you guys have to get a T20 bit with a hole in it, like right in the center. Because if you take a look at these, if it'll focus, it actually has a hole in the middle, and I lost my T20 bit that had the hole in the middle. So I was like, cool, I'll use the other T20 bit in my toolbox. Wrong. Absolutely, positively wrong. But hey guys, as you can see, install is finished. These look amazing. I'll show you guys the open sequence. Well, not even in the open sequence, just the sequentials. And let me turn the car on. Let me turn the headlights on so you guys can see the full start. Guys, look how good these taillights look. Like, they look amazing. And there's an option with these taillights, guys. If you guys can see, guys, it is pouring. If you guys see that the outside light right here is actually white. So in order to change that, you just have to put in 2 bolts, guys. I'm getting drenched right now. But as you guys can see, install is done. I'll shoot some pictures later when it gets more dry. But yeah, you guys, this is what the car looks like. Here's the final view, and here's the unlock sequence. Look at that, you guys. Looks amazing. I'll see you guys in a bit after it stops raining. I'll take some pictures, and yeah, see you guys later. The rain finally died down, and I can finally show you guys the reverse taillight function. So I'll go ahead and start the car with reverse, and I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. So honestly, guys, I don't even know if it turned on, but if it did, that's what it looks like. And we're gonna go take some pictures now. You guys are gonna go take some pictures. But yeah, guys, right now we're gonna go take some pictures, and I will see you guys in a bit. All right. But yeah, guys, this was a full review of the Invoke Concept taillights. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, I mean, comment down below how much you guys like the setup right now. I think it looks great. The car just needs a wash. The car is super dirty. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below how much you guys like the taillights, how much you guys like the setup. I'll be posting pictures on my Instagram later about them, so you guys will be the first to see them. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, you guys.